Ergothioneine, this anti-aging vitamin. Ergothioneine is the first comprehensive oral cytoprotectant. That means it can protect the total cell from a full array of damaging agents. Now, L-ergothioneine may be the farthest reaching, deepest penetrating, longest lasting oral antioxidant known to mankind. In addition, L-ergothioneine is designed to promote a healthy inflammatory response, a healthy immune system, and cell detoxification. Now, most importantly, L-ergothioneine acts as a genomic stabilizer, the #1 predictor of longevity. In fact, L-ergothioneine has been dubbed the longevity vitamin by today's scientific community. Now, studies in humans have found no toxicity or adverse effects to be associated with supplementation of L-ergothioneine. So here are the key benefits of L-ergothioneine. Let's go through this list of benefits associated with ergothioneine. #1 is what I mentioned previously, is that it's a powerful, long-lasting antioxidant and has been shown to be superior to glutathione. Now, many of you probably know about the benefits of glutathione as the master antioxidant. However, since ergothioneine has a half-life of 30 days compared to glutathione's half-life of only 10 minutes, it makes ergothioneine a much more potent, longer lasting antioxidant in the human body. Now, it's also been shown to eliminate DNA damaging acids and singlet oxygen up to 75 times better than any other known oral antioxidant. It also may help to promote a healthy inflammatory response. It may provide support for the immune system. It also may provide antioxidant protection for mitochondria and promote cellular energy production. It also may help support for genomic stability and is also considered the #1 predictor of longevity. Now, taking a look at some of its mechanisms of action and how it actually works in the human body, we can see that ergothioneine seems to target a wide variety of pathways within the body. We can see #1 here that it's a cytoprotective agent against UV radiation. We can see that it also possesses anti-inflammatory effects, so modulating interleukin-6, IL-6, TNF-alpha, interleukin-8. We can see that it can increase the uptake of OCTN1, which are these polymorphisms linked to rheumatoid arthritis and Crohn's disease. We can also see that it's a neuroprotective agent against NMDA hyperactivation, beta amyloid plaque buildup, which is associated with Alzheimer's disease. And then we can see it also inhibits ischemia reperfusion damage and also mitochondrial DNA damage. We can see that it also scavenges a wide variety of free radicals in the body, so it acts as a potent antioxidant, as I mentioned previously. Looking at this breakdown, we can see that ergothioneine, EGT, improved mitochondrial function by protecting against mutation in the mitochondrial DNA. It also promotes fatty acids influx into the mitochondria to increase cellular ATP levels. As I mentioned previously, it acts as an antioxidant. It can also activate NRF2, which is the same pathway that curcumin activates. It can also chelate divalent metal ions, and it can improve cell repair and cell proliferation. Now, what's also quite interesting is that L-ergothioneine may improve glucose homeostasis by promoting glucose uptake and glycogenesis by improving liver function. It's also been shown to enhance lipid metabolism by downregulating SREBP1C and fatty acid synthase, and then we can see a wide variety of anti-inflammatory effects. We've seen studies demonstrating that L-ergothioneine can cross the blood-brain barrier. It can accumulate in the CNS. It possesses neuroprotective qualities. It can also protect the liver and kidneys. We've seen studies suggesting that it can also accumulate in the testes to protect the testes against damage and thus helping to support testosterone production. We can see that it can scavenge a wide variety of reactive oxygen species, ROS. It has systemic protective effects, so it can protect against ischemia, as I mentioned previously, and then also supporting endothelium and protecting against mitochondrial dysfunction. Now, interestingly, there was one particular study in fruit flies where L-ergothioneine was able to extend lifespan.